Hi there, teacher Brigitte Carolina. First of all, my name is Orlando Ramirez. I am 48 years old. I was born in Ciénaga, Magdalena. Now I am a student at the telecommunication engineering program at UNAT University. I work in teach of math. I like reading books and listen to music. I am married. I have two children. After this, I want to tell you about my travel experience. My experience of trip. I went to Trujillo Hotel. I stayed there last December. I went with my family. I liked it because it was cheap. I just paid 300,000. I liked it because there were a lot of places to visit. For example, I went to the pool and liked it a lot. I came back 2 weeks out because I started working last Monday. To study the weather in Santa Marta. The weather in Santa Marta, Hotel Trujillo is the same almost every day. In the morning it's usually sunny. In the afternoon it's sunny and sometimes cloudy. 3 states. 8 teeth. First, teeth. It is recommended that people wear comfortable clothes. Second, teeth. It is recommended that you use sun umbrellas. Dear teeth. It is recommended that people use sunscreen. Fourth, teeth. It is recommended that you take a camera to take souvenir photos. Fifth, teeth. It is recommended that you wear sunglasses. Sixth, teeth. It is recommended that people travel using a taxi or walking. Seventh, teeth. It is necessary to register in the hotel previously. 18. It is necessary to check out. 4. State. What people should and shouldn't do. When we are planning a vacation trip, you should make hotel reservations. People should go to the pool and soccer field in the hotel Trujillo. But you shouldn't forget your identification card. People shouldn't go to the pool and football field of the Hotel Trujillo in the Santa Marta city without appearing at some blood. Thank you.